Hi, I'm Debbie. I'm in my mid-60s, and I wanted to talk to you today about a wonderful weapon that we can use to keep our skin younger, and that is oils. Skin oils do an amazing job on your skin, and this is my number one product. It's called the Gold Youth Oil. And I have women that come into my salon and they buy several at a time because number one, they don't want to run out. And number two, they like to give them to their sisters and their mothers and their friends. So this is my number one selling product. And there's so much that you can do with it. I use it every morning. And what I like to do is I like to cleanse my face, put this on, and then use a gua sha to help with tightening the skin and helping with the jawline and puffiness and getting all that puffiness out of my face in the morning. And so this does a great job to do that. And then also I like to have it under my makeup. I usually do my vitamin C afterwards and then a sunscreen. But I also like to take a drop of this and put it in my makeup, mix it around, and then you have even more of a glow and you have more of that antioxidant to protect your skin from environmental aging. So I have a little story, a little personal story where I was on a plane and I wanted to look good when I arrived. And so I took out my makeup mirror when it was about time to start landing. And I noticed that because of the dry air in the airplane cabin, my skin had gotten, I looked crinkly all of a sudden. My face looked crinkly, my neck, my hands. And so I took out my trusty Gold Youth Oil and I applied that to my face and my neck and my hands and touched up my makeup. Glow was back. So if you want a glow girl, you should try this. I also have a client who does makeup for photography. And she says, you know, so many women want to come in and get their picture taken and they expect their face to look good, but yet they don't take care of their skin. So she always uses the Gold Youth Oil underneath their makeup before she applies the makeup so that they really like their picture more and they can see that glow. And I wish that you could smell it because it is organic pomegranate, organic lavender, organic frankincense, and the smell itself is worth it in the morning. I always look forward to putting it on. So I'm going to put this in the description box. You'll love it, and I will see you next time.